We have given B set, and this set has elements 1, 2, 3, 4. We have given statement. This symbol means for all x. So we have for all x belongs to B set, absolute value of x is equal x. Because we have here only positive numbers, so this statement will be always true. Because absolute value of 1 is 1 and 1 belongs to this set. Absolute value of 2 is 2. 2 belongs to the set. Absolute value of 3 is 3 and 3 belongs to the set. And absolute value of 4 is 4. So this statement is true for all x from this set. So our statement is true.